Meow. Meow meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. So standing kitty looking back. Just working out the shapes here, and I do have this going 2.5 times the speed. Voicing over. I'm just getting the general shapes in and correcting as I go, because often I don't get each shape in the exact right place. But we can always fix it, right? Shapes and angles. That's what I'm really considering right now. And that angle between the front paws and the back paws is important in order to make Kitty look comfortable. Make the limbs look the appropriate lengths. Doing it this way, I find it's really easy to get good rhythm and flow in my drawing. And I don't do it the same way with every drawing, I just do what feels right for each given drawing. Start blocking some things in now. I just like to take it easy and go slowly at first and not make too dark of lines, because if the lines aren't too dark, it's easier to correct. Get that muzzle in there and some lines for the eyes. That paw needs to come down just a touch, I think, just to make it look comfortable. And that's that leg that's hiding in behind a little. We'll fix those paws up. Now we're speeding up to 4 times the speed. Need to move that over a bit. Get some pockets for the eyes in there. And then we'll just plant those eyes right in there, getting them down nearer the bottom of the pockets. I felt that was better. So they're in the right spot. And that nice little smirk. Now we're speeding up to 8 times the speed, and we'll finish this drawing up. To fine-tuning time. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment and tell me what you want to learn about drawing cats. Maybe there's a particular pose you want to learn, or whatever. Or just tell me about yourself or your cat, because I just love to hear from you. This is where I really tweak it a little. Trying out lines and sometimes taking them away because they look like too much at the time. And some whiskers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.